Hello everyone, I'm Jan Suleiman and I'm working at Once. Today I want to demonstrate our SMS capabilities and services. First, you will find all the details around our SMS services on help.once.com, our Once Developer Hub. Once offers SMS services which allows you to send SMS to a connected IoT device or receive SMS from a connected IoT device, which you can see in our customer portal or using our SMS forwarding as well as the management API. You will find all the details around the so-called mobile terminated SMS, which is the one going to the device, including the delivery reports on our developer hub, and also the mobile originating SMS descriptions, which you can see SMS in the customer portal, configure the SMS forwarder, or using the querying function through our management API. For all other details, I recommend you to check out this page. Let's jump in and see an example. So if we go into our customer portal and log in with existing credentials, I've done this here. Let's select this particular device, which is currently online. If we go to this device and select the SMS counter, I can now send an SMS to this device. Let's ask this device for the current status. I know that this device should respond to this request. So I send the payload SMS to my device and we will see that this SMS is currently being sent. If we now refresh this, we will see the device has responded with OK, that it has received the command, as well as with details that are behind the status request, such as information around the network signal strength. This is particular for this device and each device will function differently. Now let's also have a look at what happens with the SMS forwarding. I've configured SMS forwarding under configuration in the SMS forwarding setup. That means all my SMS, including the delivery reports, get sent to a configured webhook. For the demonstration purposes, I'm using the webhook.sites demo setup. So what we'll see is we have 3 messages in here. So let's start with the first message. This message is the SMS which was sent from our IoT device to our platform, and we are seeing the payload which we saw also in the customer portal. At the same time, we also see one of the delivery reports, which was my SMS command, the status request which I sent to the device, and we see that it was successfully delivered, which also makes sense because otherwise we would have not seen the response. And then lastly, the device also sent an OK message back when the transaction was completed. In this case, we also see this directly here. We can also use our Once Management API to query the same details. For querying the API for the SMS, you can go and find details on that in the Developer Hub under API Explorer in the SMS category. You can see all the SMS, you can create new SMS, as well as getting details for an SMS. In case an SMS is stuck in the sending option, meaning it continuously retries but the device is not available, you can also delete an SMS that is currently being sent. If there's any other questions, I recommend you to hop over to our Developer Hub and check out the section around the SMS.